Read, create, learn, play, and connect with the County Library in March. All aspiring wizards and witches are now encouraged to throw their names into the hat to attend Owl Camp, the County Library's outstanding wizarding level school of magic. Owl Camp is an immersive, STEAM-based summer camp for youth ages 11 to 18 who have a county library card. Young wizards and witches will attend classes for potion making, magizoology, and more. Applications can be submitted at thecountylibrary.org/wizarding through March 31st. The most bodacious, rad, righteous party ever is coming to the library's Viridian Event Center. Big hair, 80s hits, and excellent activities aren't all you can find at the totally awesome 80s prom. Check out the mocktails, veg out in the arcade, avoid your mom at the library mall, and choose your own VHS adventure. Are tickets expensive? Not even. Book your bod to thecountylibrary.org/80s prom to register. Adults only, so leave the little dudes and dudettes at home. Acts of kindness make a huge difference in a community. Discover life-changing presentations, volunteer opportunities, community activities, and meaningful projects to make a difference in Salt Lake County and your neighborhood during Community Cares Month. Caring activities can be as simple as choosing an act of kindness from a jar, making jewelry, and learning about our ecosystem. Find a way to make a positive difference in our community at thecountylibrary.org/communitycares. And grab, grow, and give with our Seed Library. Seed libraries work like any other library. Stop by a participating branch, pick up some seeds, which may include vegetables, herbs, fruits, and flowers. Then grow your plants, harvest the seeds, and return some of them to the county library for others to use. The Seed Library program runs through April 30th. Seeds are limited and will be available while supplies last. Get more info at thecountylibrary.org/seeds. Thanks for joining us for Connect. We can't wait to read, create, learn, play, and connect with you in March.